Listen closely. This is what an AMG used to sound like. It was violent. It was angry. It was a German muscle car. Now, listen to the new one. That is the sound of a tragedy. This is the new Mercedes-AMG C63 S E-Performance, and it is widely considered the biggest mistake in the history of the brand. Mercedes took their legendary V8 engine and threw it in the trash. They replaced it with a 2-liter, 4-cylinder hybrid, the same size engine you find in a Honda Civic. Sure, they added Formula One hybrid technology. They claim it has 670 horsepower, but there's a problem. No one cares. The numbers look great on paper, but the reality is embarrassing. Because of the batteries and electric motors, this small sedan weighs nearly 4,700 pounds. It is heavier than a Ford F-150 pickup truck. And the price? Mercedes wants nearly $90,000 for it. 90 grand for a 4-cylinder. The market has spoken, and it is brutal. Reports from Germany say sales are close to zero. In the US, dealers are struggling to give them away. Meanwhile, across town, BMW kept their 6-cylinder engine in the M3. And guess what? They're sold out everywhere. Mercedes bet everything on technology. They forgot about emotion. They forgot that when you buy an AMG, you don't buy it to save the polar bears. You buy it to make noise and burn tires. So, here's the verdict. The new C63 is an engineering marvel and a commercial disaster. If you have $90,000, go buy a BMW M3 or buy a used V8 C63 before they all disappear. Do you agree? Is the V8 dead, or should Mercedes bring it back? Let me know in the comments.